YouTube channel. This is the last day of our road trip and we only had a few hours in Brussels before heading back home. We didn't really have too much planned on this day, just a bit of exploring, soaking in the city and making the most of our final few hours here. Our first stop of the day was the Church of Our Lady of Victories at the Seblon, a stunning Gothic church in the heart of Brussels. This church is known for these beautiful stained glass windows which are all around the church. It was built in the 15th century and was originally a place of worship for the city's elite. The detailing inside is absolutely beautiful and stepping in here felt like a peaceful escape from the city. Right in front of the church there's a small park which had really well groomed gardens which you could see from the outside, so we decided to check it out. We sat in here for a few minutes and then continued our walk around this part of the city. As we wandered around, we came across another church, the Church of Our Lady of the Chapel. This one is even older, dating back to the 12th century. It has a mix of Romanesque and Gothic architecture, and it's actually the final resting place of the famous painter Pieter Bruegel. There's even a statue of him outside to commemorate him. Our last stop was the Palace of Justice, one of the most impressive buildings in the city. This is right next to the View Ferris wheel and the viewpoint, so I got to enjoy the views of the city once again. This massive courthouse is actually one of the largest in the world. Some parts are open to public, so we walked around inside to admire the grand architecture. The scale of this place is seriously mind-blowing, and it was the perfect way to wrap up our time in Brussels. And just like that, our European road trip came to an end. It's been an incredible journey. This was my first time driving outside the UK, and I can't wait for the next adventure. From here, we made our way to Calais, took the ferry, and finally returned to London. Thank you so much for coming along and watching my videos. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.